Hi everyone, how are you doing? Today I wanted to get on video and just talk to you about something that I thought of last week actually, and I kept thinking I need to make a video on this, so I'm going to talk about it today, and that is our mindset when it comes to homemaking. So a lot of times our mindset around homemaking chores like doing the dishes or the laundry or scrubbing the shower or whatever it might be, it can kind of feel like a chore, and it can become almost a burden in our lives and something that we just think of in a negative sense. And so I really want to encourage you today to kind of flip that and to think of it differently, because here's the thing, we have to do the dishes, right? We have to get the laundry done. So it's better to do those from a place of positivity than a place of negativity. So, a lot of times I'll think, oh, I have to get the dishes done. Oh, there's so much laundry, I'll never catch up. And it takes me so long to scrub the floors or things like that. And we come at it in a negative sense, and then we put it off and we don't want to do it. And it's just, we become kind of, negative towards it. And like I said, it becomes a burden instead of a blessing. And so I really want you to kind of flip that around and think of these homemaking chores and tasks as a blessing, because they really truly are. When you think about it, the reason you have dishes in the first place is because your family ate food and their tummies are full, and you have that gift to be able to serve food to your family. And you have running water, and because you have running water, you're able to wash your dishes. And so when you think about it from that perspective, it really changes things. And I'm not trying to put a guilt trip on you and oh, I should feel, happy and thankful for dirty dishes all the time. I mean, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying walk around asking for dirty dishes and, I could wash dishes all day long and be happy. I'm not saying that. I mean, obviously it is a chore. It is something that you have to do. And it takes energy, and it's not as exciting as doing other things. But when you come at it from a positive perspective where I get to do these dishes instead of I have to do these dishes, then it makes it much more enjoyable. I got an email recently from a sweet reader who had just recently joined my email list, and I've been sending her some emails, and she said that reading some of the things that I've said has encouraged her while she's doing the dishes at night to get them done. And then also she's been singing hymns while she washes dishes. And she said it's become this time that she looks forward to and she actually enjoys. And so really, I mean, she's still doing the dishes just like she had been before, but she's decided to come at it from a positive perspective. And so, I want to encourage you today, what is one area or one maybe chore in your home where you are creating a home and it feels like a burden to you? And really think about how can you go about it with a different perspective, and think about the blessing that comes from you completing that chore. Because really, when we are doing our homemaking tasks, we are serving our family and we're showing love to them. And we can go about it being grumpy and upset about it all day, or we can go about it and being happy and grateful for those things that make our homes what they are. So I hope that is an encouragement to you today. And of course, I would love for you to leave a comment and join the conversation below, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye.